There's a beautiful butterfly down here. When you go for a walk out in nature and you find yourself appreciating the sounds of the birds, the bees on the flowers, the trees, the life that you see scurrying around, just the beauty of nature. Nature has this incredible power and essence, and it can make you feel completely present if you actually stop long enough to pay attention and to take in the surroundings with your senses. And this is just an example of how easy it is to experience mindfulness and to put yourself in a situation of an absence of stress and just enjoying the moment and being fully present. So when you get the opportunity, go outside, preferably somewhere not too close to a road, and just take in the environment. Breathe the fresh air, listen to the sounds of nature, appreciate the beauty that you see with your eyes. See what kind of smells you can notice, hopefully pleasant ones. And go ahead and touch something. Appreciate what it feels like.